Good morning. Got a little bit of hiccups there? Yeah? Yeah, aren't you cute? Mommy and Daddy love you so much. Morning, my little early riser. Aren't you cute? What are you looking at today? Hanging out? Yeah, what are we going to do today? Some eating, some pooping, maybe some stretches. You got a real strong kick right now, little guy. Can you believe it? I can't myself. I think you're almost 100 hours old. Did you know that? Let's see, 5. Let's see, right at, let's see, 8 o'clock. 8:30, you'll be 100 hours. Okay. See you later. Bye, little guy.